Welcome back. We are getting to know now that with regards to communication to Karnataka schools about banning online education for all grades up to 5th standard has not been followed across board. Now in Karnataka, some schools have been found to have flouted the state government's online classes rule. Schools have hosted online classes for students below 5th grade, which has been disallowed by the state government. This despite the Karnataka government banning all classes up to 5th standard last week. However, on the side of the schools, they claim that they have not received a formal intimation, and many of them have therefore have not stopped the online classes. Let me get in Neha Hebbale to understand where exactly was the confusion. Neha, of course, we know about this particular order that was in place, but some schools are claiming that they have not received individual communication. Is that the reason why the rules were flouted? Tell us both sides of the argument, please.
Well, Afrida, first of all, I'd like to go back to last week when the government of Karnataka decided that classes, up till grade 5, that's online classes would have to be stopped, till grade 5. Remember, there was a lot of confusion at the time of the passing of the order itself. First, the government said that it would only be the online classes that would be cancelled, and that too till grade 5. Then later, you had, in fact, the law minister coming out just a day later after the cabinet meeting, going on to say that classes till grade 7 would be cancelled, both online and pre-recorded. Just about 20 minutes later, again you had the education minister clarifying that up till grade 7 was only a suggestion, that till now classes remain banned only till class 5. So that's where all the confusion actually began last week, when the government, hadn't really, of course, conveyed properly, following which the very same day on 11th June, an order was also issued to this effect, which very clearly states that all schools will stop collecting the fees that they were collecting for the online classes, and also that the online classes must be stalled completely, must be, stopped completely till grade 5. This is both live as well as the pre-recorded classes. Now, despite that, you have several schools still across Karnataka, mostly the private schools, which are still going ahead to conduct classes for students. Just today, of course, we brought you visuals of a school, of a private school in Bengaluru that's conducting classes for the students of grade 5. It was a Kannada class that was being conducted. And having said that, there's still a lot of confusion among the schools itself, stating that they haven't received any formal order from the government. But is that really, of course, an excuse enough? Because remember that it has been publicized on multiple accounts that, the schools should not really be conducting the classes. So why the government has not formally communicated separately to, all these schools again could be a question that's being raised. But many other schools, of course, have taken the cue from the order and stopped classes. But there are several other schools that continue to hold these classes and possibly even collect fees from students for these classes. We'll have to wait and see when the government cracks down on these schools and makes it very, very clear to them.